In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Zoom meeting and how to invite others. So you first need to head over to the Zoom application and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't already have an account, it's completely free to sign up. And once you're logged in, you should see the page on the screen here. So from here, just click on schedule and then you can give your Zoom meeting a name. I'm going to leave it as the default name that it gives you. Select the date that you want your meeting to start and also select the time. Select the time that you want this meeting to finish. I'm going to keep mine at a short 30 minutes. Decide whether you want to repeat this meeting in the future. So this is good if you do the same thing every week, or you can set this monthly, or you can just set this to never. Now you can invite people directly just by typing in their email addresses here. I'm going to leave this blank for now as I'm going to show you how we can share the link with others at the end. Then scroll down to meeting ID and make sure this is set to generate automatically. For the passcode, you can set this to whatever you want. This is the passcode that people are going to have to type in before joining your meeting. I'd recommend setting it to something simple. You can decide whether you want to enable the waiting room, and all that means is you'll have to manually approve people before they're allowed into the call. Underneath video, I'm going to put host as on, and participant, decide whether you want to allow video or not. Audio, select computer audio. Calendar, you can set to your default calendar. Come over to advanced and decide whether you want to alter any of these settings down here. Once you're finished, click on save and you'll get this web browser pop up. You can just close out of this. And now as you can see back in our Zoom application, we now have this meeting pop up. So what you need to do to share this to all of the participants that are joining the call is just click on it like so and it will pop up with this window. And from here, it's going to provide you all of your Zoom meeting details. So you can essentially just copy all of this information here and just paste it to whoever's joining the call. So you can see down here, it has the meeting ID as well as the passcode as well. And if someone just clicks on this link, it's going to take them directly over to our call. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a Zoom meeting and invite other people. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.